Account owners and admins can manage webinars and events in powerful ways in the Events and Webinars portal. First, they can view all events happening across their entire account. From this page, they can jump in to add a speaker at the last minute or join any event at any time. They can also view all hubs across the entire account, including both active and inactive hubs. Admins can navigate to any hub to view and manage events, and even add users as team members. There are lots of situations where an admin might need to transfer an event from one hub to another. This can be done by navigating to the hub, finding the right event, and clicking Transfer to another hub. Admins can transfer all hub assets, events, recordings, and content assets from one hub to another, even from inactive hubs to active ones. Find the inactive hub and navigate to Configuration. Choose Settings. Here, admins can transfer all hub assets to another hub. Or delete the hub entirely. Over on the Account tab, admins can add account-level payment methods and billing information, and then manage which hubs can use this info or add their own payment details. Add-on licenses are managed here. When an account purchases additional host or co-editor seats, they will need to be assigned to the appropriate hub here. Along with video content management licenses. Concurrency is managed from this view as well. Webinars and Events allows accounts to place all of their available events licenses into a single shared pool, which allows any hub owner to schedule concurrent events, as long as there is a license available. Or admins can manually assign additional licenses to a hub to allow multiple events to be hosted at the same time from the same hub. Business information, settings, and account analytics can also be found and managed from this view. With these powerful admin controls, you can efficiently manage all of your webinars and events from a single, centralized location.